Kopi! Peng! And guys, what are your thoughts? Thoughts so far?
Thoughts?
Yeah.
I wonder how we're gonna get through it. The morale not very strong.
Yeah, right now. Because first day, relax. Hi Rin, how's it going?
Fantastic. I love this. This life.
How are we feeling?
So this is basically a halfway mark. I'm sure everyone's tired, but so we persist.
Mong? Yay! We're gonna have our lunch here.
Honestly, a video of this would be really cute. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Say hi.
Hi. Hi chefs, or preps.
Today we have the main course meal is curry udon, and that's it.
Oh, no, nothing else?
No appetizer. Your appetizer is your biscuit.
Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
Onions, bro.
Wait, what are they cooking over there?
The sauce.
Curry.
Oh. Yay, udon.
For the first time, I was like, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm not like the one.
It's okay, we'll see each other.
I feel like we just put a speed.
Last day.
Where we at Minden?
Oh, we are Jaden's Humbles over.
So we are on the last stage of the program.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Why are you so happy?
As a famous wise person once said, don't be sad, it's over. Be happy it happened. It's a memory, it's a core memory for us, for me at least. If I could experience this all over again, I definitely would.
Kopi!